everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this yummy catfish pepper soup. If you like to see how this recipe is achieved, please stay tuned. So for this recipe we're going to be using 2 catfish. You want to make sure you wash them with warm water and salt, as this fish is slimy in nature, so you want to wash them properly. We're also going to be using table salt, 1 medium chopped onion, pepper soup spice, scotch bonnet pepper, and stock cube for this recipe. So in the pot, I'm just going to be adding my catfish one after the other. You want to make sure they're properly spaced. You want to make sure they have enough space to get cooked easily. That's why I'm just putting them in different sections of the pot. And now I'm just going to be adding enough water that will be enough to get the catfish cooked. Now I'm just going to be adding my main ingredients I showed you before. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please support me by subscribing to my channel, as I upload new recipes every week, and I would love to have you in the Moga's Meals family. Thank you. So now I'm just going to be adding my stock cube. I'm just going to drizzle it all over the fish. And I'm also going to be adding red chili peppers because I like the pepper soup spicy. And now I'll be adding parsley. This is an ingredient that I found that is very nice for pepper soup. You want to try it and let me know what you think of it. And I'm also going to be adding fish seasoning too. This is very good for marinating your fish and for cooking any fish recipes, and trust me, you will love it too. So next, what I'm gonna be doing, I'm just gonna be cooking Irish potatoes on the other side of the gas because I'll be having it with this pepper soup. So I'm just adding a little bit of butter and salt to cook it to taste. The butter is gonna make it come out softened and really good. Now you can see how the pepper soup looks like. It's boiling, it's really coming together. So I'm just gonna give it a good stir. You want to make sure you're using your spatula or your spoon to just go around the sides of the pot. You don't want to scatter the fish while stirring it. You just want to stir properly and stir carefully. So I'm also checking on my Irish potatoes to see how they are cooking, and later on I'm also coming back to check. You can see the fish is getting cooked. So what I'm just doing here, I'm just using my spatula to flip the fish to the other side to make sure the other side gets cooked. You want to do this slowly and carefully in order not to break the fish or make it scatter inside the pot. And now also I'll be checking my Irish potatoes with a fork. I'm just puncturing in the fork to see if it's soft and if it's cooked. So right now I'm just checking the catfish in the pepper soup to make sure it's properly cooked. I'm just giving it a good stir and it's perfect. So I'm turning off the gas as it's cooked. And also I'm checking the Irish potatoes with a fork as well, and it's properly cooked and it's soft. So I'm just turning off the gas, and now we're draining the water out of the Irish potatoes. And now this is how the Irish potatoes look like. They are soft and my pepper soup is cooked as well. So I'm just gonna dish this pepper soup. Look how good this looks like. So you want to be careful when serving it in order not to break the fish. And if you're still watching and you've not subscribed to my channel, please support me by subscribing to my channel, and I would love to have you in the Moga's Meals family. I'll upload new recipes every week. Thank you. This is how the pepper soup looks like. It looks good, it looks lovely, the fish are in shape, everything is perfect, all the ingredients blend together. You can see how lovely this looks. This is yummy as well. And also I'll be having it with my Irish potatoes. You can see how it looks. It's beautiful and lovely. Thank you for watching.